Namaskara, good evening. Today we explore the misty beauty of Gaganachukki Waterfalls passing through this Shivanasamudra hydroelectric power station. Gaganachukki is incredibly captivating waterfall nestled near Shivanasamudra. This historic Shivanasamudra power station established in 1902, making it one of Asia's first hydroelectric power plant. Built to tap the mighty energy of the Kaveri river, this power station originally supplied electricity to the gold mines of Kolar and played a major role in India's technological beginnings. As we pass through the lush green trails lined with wild shrubs and the gentle roar of distant water, the landscape slowly opens into a breathtaking view. The waterfall cascades elegantly over layered rocks, creating thin silver-like streams almost resembling falling sky, which is exactly what Gaganachukki means. The soothing sound of flowing water, the cool mist, and the untouched nature make this spot a peaceful escape for nature lovers and photographers alike. The Kaveri river continues its journey to form the more famous Bharachukki and Gaganachukki Falls, reinforcing the beauty and power of this region. Standing here, one can truly appreciate how nature and technology coexist. The relentless rush of the waterfalls feeds the turbines, while the turbines light up towns and villages far beyond. This combination of raw natural power and human innovation makes Shivanasamudra a rare destination where history, nature, and science flow together. Thanks for watching. You may scan the QR code for location and route map details to reach Gaganachukki Waterfalls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. धन्यवाद.